Simulation software for L3 electrotechnics. Electrical engineering. Introduction. Numerical simulation is an analysis and study tool increasingly used in many sectors of activity. It consists of carrying out the virtual study of a part or an electrical assembly according to different study scenarios. Initially employed in the mid-20th century, numerical simulation has become an indispensable tool today in certain fields: spatial, aeronautical, nuclear, etc. Made accessible to all companies, regardless of their sector and size, it can be a major tool for technical progress and economic gain. Type of software: CAD, Computer-Aided Design. Example, design of printed circuit boards, electric motors, etc. CAM, Computer-Aided Manufacturing. Example, production of printed circuit boards, electric motors, etc., using CNC machines. Advantages of numerical simulation. Simulation calculations make it possible to predict the behavior of the subject studied without having to go through the construction of prototypes or the realization of real tests, which are costly and/or difficult to implement. This is an essential advantage in terms of production costs, particularly in innovative fields. They can also, from an optimization perspective, lead to rational savings in materials, an improvement in the quality or lifespan of products, and/or an optimization of production processes. Simulation software in electrical engineering. MATLAB, a high-level language and an interactive environment for numerical calculation, visualization, and programming. Different fields. PSIM, for the design and simulation of power supplies, variable speed drives, energy conversion and control systems. Proteus, software for schematic capture and analog and digital electronic simulation. Simplerer, software for simulating converters, machines, and converter-machine associations. Skylab, it is a free and open-source software with the same functionalities as MATLAB, etc. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.